Alright, got my first board built. This particular one has all 200-gram cakes. This one goes in the center. It's angled out. I have 3 aces high on each side here, 3 bling bling, 6 smoke dragon on each side here, and then 2 bling bling on each side over there. I have them all fused and wired so I can see channel Q, channel Q, channel Q, channel Q. The board will be marked board 10, and then hopefully just carry it to the field, pull all these wires, go to the mods, hook it up, done. All right, that's one of about, if you can see up there, that is my layout. So I've got one of 25 or 30 boards done, maybe, or later.